Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you turn on alphabetical to whiteboard window on your Zoom. We will go to figure out this solution on your Zoom on now how we can do that. We will just go down here and more. We will click and we come here to this is window like you say. Then we come here to whiteboard. We will click and we come to this is window like you say and we just click here to last modify it, and we this is window show for us. We come here to alt alphabetical. We will click here and down, or we will turn here, and like you say now it's turned on alphabetical to which board window here like you say. So that's all now. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.